So obviously you could copy this, download this. I have it on YouTube. All this is, I'm doing it differently a little bit because I don't like the way it looks on Facebook to take the YouTube videos and put them there, especially when I'm doing shorts. So this is, and on Facebook, I'm taking the same video and uploading it, and as I do on YouTube. If you go to my YouTube channel, the link is in the description on Facebook. You can get all these videos, look at the number, and you can basically watch it anytime. So in this experiment, if I don't take too much time explaining things, we're going to do a little bit of emotional experiment. And so what I want you to do is each of these subjects, you can start and stop them. And what it's going to be is your mind will answer a question. And what I'm going to say is to experiment with your general mood. I want to test your resilience. If I ask you to think about the things that you hate, then pause, stop it if you want, and wait for your mind to connect to that. Start to think of the things you hate. Okay, now how about the things that you're afraid of? Okay, and how about the things that you love? How about your favorite vacation? So each of these questions that I ask you connect to a change in your frequency, depending on your resilience. So in other words, if you really have a difficulty and you're kind of weak energetically, let's say, for instance, you've got a lot of wounds, you have a lot of fears, you have a lot of people you're angry with, you have a lot of people that you kind of hate. There's a situation in your state or your government that you kind of hate. There is a political point of view that you might hate. And it doesn't really matter what area, but it does affect your frequency. And so what you want to do is manage that. You want to manage the things that you spend time thinking about. If you have parts of your life where you are really unhappy, you're spending your nights up thinking about the last argument you had with somebody, this is going to obviously affect your frequency as well as your sleep. So once you learn the clearing methods and things that I've taught you about managing frequency, you can learn how to forgive the people that you're unhappy with. You learn how to see your sovereignty, your separation from things like government. And so you don't have to spend your time in anger about what happens around you. It's very important to get to a point you build the muscle of management of your frequency by understanding it.